So let's talk a little bit about pattern genetics. We did color genetics. We talked about the two base colors, which are white and yellow, and the secondary colors, which is blue and green, and then there's the dark factors. But we didn't talk about pattern, okay? There's a normal pattern to a bird. Where is she? There she is. Miss Hyacinth right there is a normal patterned bird. She has the wild pattern, which is a yellow base, green coloring, and then her wings are black with yellow scallops along the edges of each feather, which creates the outer color there. Where is she? There she is. Where'd she go? There she is. Well, she's just not going to stand still for me here. Okay, there. That is Matilda and Royal. They are both normal patterned birds, but they're white base instead of yellow base. So they have a white base. They're blue. They both have a dark factor. So she's a cobalt. He has a violet factor, so he's violet. But they both have the black wings and tail feathers with the white scallops on the outside edge of their feathers on their wings. So that's what a normal patterned budgie looks like. But we have all kinds of other patterns going on here. Today I'd like to talk about the spangle. Where did they go? I have two spangles in here. There is Sky. She's a sky blue white base budgie, but as you can see, she does not have black wings and a black tail. She has white wings. Where did she go now? There she has white wings and a white tail instead. That's because she's a single factor spangle. So instead of her feathers being black with a white edge, they're white with a black edge. And as she ages, that black edge will become blue. Okay, there's a nice shot of her. All right, and then we have over here a yellow base version of a spangle. Come here, Neon. Come here. Come here, Neon. Oh, stop being a pill. There. So Neon's a yellow based spangle. His wing feathers are yellow. And he's older, so he doesn't have the black edge around the tip of the feathers. He has a green edge around the tip. So he is a yellow-based single-factor spangle. Now, I'm saying single-factor. When you get, that means he has one spangle gene. If he had two, or if Sky had two, they would be double-factor spangles. And double-factor spangles are pure white. So that's Angel, who Neon's sitting next to. That's his bonded mate. And she is a double factor spangle. White base double factor spangle. So she is pure white because she has two spangle factors. Okay? So there's Sky, who's a white based single factor spangle. White wings with a gray edging on them. Double factor spangle is going to be completely clear, a white like that. If she was a yellow based bird, she'd be just pure yellow as a double factor spangle. So that's what a spangle is. The heredity on these goes like this. It's actually a dominant, what do you call it? A dominant pattern changing a mutation. Oh, the other thing about the spangles is they don't have the little necklace of spots. They tend to have really weak little spots at the bottom of their necks. So, well, there's Porky. He's also a spangle, but he's a pied, so that makes things even more complicated. But if you take a look at her, you can see at the bottom of her mask she just has a couple of little dots instead of the big round circles. So that's a part of the spangle too. So the way the genetics work on spangles, no spangle, a regular bird. Single spangle, you get this, the white wings with the gray edges or yellow wings with gray edges. And a double factor, you get either a pure white or a pure yellow, depending on what base the bird's born with. So that is Spangle and how it works in breeding.